Ka Regional Committee West Giant Hills District yakaba ka sarkar jala kala thau ban yet bnya na ka banta ban penbet put bat ka jala Assam ha block 1 bat khanduli psiar ha ka khat sautre ujilio arja arpulai kalai merging mode bat ka committee na ka jala Assam ha State Convention Center Shillong na ka banta ki sen jam ban yakran halor kini ki jakak yakanat khaput Yaka komiti na jala Meghalaya lalam khmat do ba snyau bhalang dhar usumbut menteri rangba bat yaka komiti na Assam pat lalam khmat do Piyush Hazarika menteri ke sarkar Assam Habakran cikilat pathai kubor hadin kajinga lang uba snyau bhalang dhar uloong baka jikpen kre kala ya chakmat bat ki menteri rangba na Meghalaya bat Assam kinsa hiar shakini ki jaka hakitayo banwan Halor kajingdan ki runar ki bashim kabu haki jaka khaput u Hazarika uloong baki runar te kisa hi ki runar bat om tep laki day na Meghalaya ne Assam Uloong ru bagi kwa baka Meghalaya bat Assam kin don hapadang ka shong sok shong san.
So today is the first meeting of both the regional committee from Assam side and Meghalaya side. Today is the first meeting. So at least we have the opportunity to introduce each other, all the member. And we had decided the meeting also, so we'll start working out all the formula now about this second phase of border issues. So in the days to come, so the respective member of the committee board side will start going to the side and the field and we'll come with the report in few months or few weeks. No, the approach is that to solve the border issues. That is the meaning of it.
You want to take this approach?
No, we haven't decided give and take. We haven't decided. So let us go to the field and all the local
amicably.
Yeah, we will listen from them and everything will be solved amicably from border state.
So when are you going to jointly visit these border
So
areas?
jointly visit actually both the chief minister is desire to visit. So we will wait the time from them.
What about at the level of the regional committee?
No, the regional committee will, because our target is to submit the report to the state government by August. So maybe in last week of this month or July, we have to visit. No, we didn't mention anything about 30, 40 villages. So now the exercise is yet to start. So maybe we'll come the actual figure in the next meeting.
Khanduli area is always a problem.
You see, block 1 is different and Share Khanduli is different. So we will try to see first the low-hanging fruit first. That is the main agenda of the thing.
There are no disturbance from Assam. Miscreants disturbance not belong to the state. We are very friendly. We should have very good relationship with Meghalaya and we have. So we don't have problem with Meghalaya people. Miscreants don't belong to us.
Yes.
That is simple. So we have high regards to the people of Meghalaya as well as people of other part of the northeastern part of the country. So amicably we should settle our long pending issues. We have long pending border dispute, but we are sure, I am sure, we'll be able to settle amicably within a very short period of time.
Recently,
What?
Miscreants are from Assam.
No, both miscreants from many sides only.
How will you
How will you miscreant is miscreant? Miscreant is miscreant.
Yeah.
How will you identify sitting here miscreants? But Assam people have love to the people of Meghalaya, and I believe Meghalaya people also have love to the people of Assam.
recently there was a clash between the Karbi and the Panar people.
What?
Recently there was a clash between the Panar and the Karbi people. So was this also discussed
I am
on how to...
extremely sorry for that. I am extremely sad for that. We shouldn't have clash. We should have peaceful relationship with people of Meghalaya. Both the people from Meghalaya, people from our part, should have cordial, peaceful relationship, and our government, our chief minister deserves that only.